Welcome to Expo 2025, Osaka, Kansai, Japan. This video is proudly hosted by JapanSplendor, your guide to unforgettable journeys across Japan. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe to JapanSplendor on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram for real-time updates on Japan's top travel destinations. We're starting our journey from the West Gate. As I walk toward the gate, the excitement builds. Visitors from around the world gather, cameras ready, faces smiling. The energy, it's contagious. Just past the entrance, the plaza opens wide. Children, families, even groups of kindergartners, all enjoying this international celebration. It's a very hot day, and nearly everyone is carrying a parasol. Group photos are being taken everywhere. You're watching JapanSplendor, your trusted companion for touring Japan in English and Japanese. Follow us to explore more real-time experiences like this. Here we are in front of the official Expo 2025 store. A long line of eager visitors wait their turn for souvenirs. And then it appears. That incredible wooden circular structure rising tall into the sky right near the Gundam robot. The design is massive and absolutely breathtaking. The Gundam itself, towering, iconic, and surrounded by excited fans. Kids, adults, everyone's taking videos and photos. Right after that, I spotted the Serbia Pavilion, nestled behind the structure. I took the escalator upward. It felt like riding to the heavens, the sky stretching above, Expo buzzing below. From the top of the ring, the panoramic view is spectacular. You can see Saudi Arabia, Spain, and more, all from one vantage point. This is JapanSplendor, your window into Japan's cutting-edge events and hidden gems. Like, share, and follow for more immersive Expo coverage. After descending, I wandered through the open-air food court. Electric service carts move smoothly through the crowd, a great example of efficient logistics. I even saw electric tour buses taking people around the site. Very visitor-friendly. You're still watching JapanSplendor. Thank you. Let us guide your next adventure in Japan. Remember to follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. As I explored more, I saw well-designed gardens and clean spaces. There's even a stage set up for concerts and events. An antique shop displayed beautifully crafted goods, a blend of modern and traditional aesthetics. Then I passed by the Malaysia, Luxembourg, Turkey, and Thailand pavilions. Each one had its own cultural charm. And let's not forget the unique Jellyfish Pavilion. Its architecture is truly mesmerizing. Evening falls. I capture the night view from the top of the wooden ring. The atmosphere becomes relaxed, the lights glow softly, and people enjoy the cooler breeze. Some are waiting for the fireworks and drone shows, sitting along the edge of the ring. Meanwhile, long lines are forming again, especially in front of the France and USA pavilions. Before leaving, I walked toward the East Gate, heading for Yumeshima Station. The crowd? Massive. Everyone is making their way to trains, some still filming, still smiling. Even back at the West Gate escalator, the line to ride up to the wooden ring was endless, people wanting to experience just one more glimpse from the top. This wraps up part 1 of our walkthrough at Expo 2025, Osaka, Kansai, Japan. We focused on site layout, visitor experience, and infrastructure. More videos are coming soon, including pavilion interiors, food experiences, and interviews. So don't miss it. follow JapanSplendor on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Your journey to Japan's wonders starts here. See you in part 2, coming up next.